Cracks in plaster walls can make your space look a bit tired, but fixing them is easier than you might think. Hi, I'm Annika, and this is how to fix cracks in plaster walls. Let's get into it. First, use a utility knife to widen the cracks slightly to remove any loose or flaky plaster. This helps the filler adhere better. Now, take a damp sponge or cloth and wipe down the area to remove dust. Using a putty knife, apply the plaster filler into the crack. Ensure you press it in firmly so it fills the entire crack. Smooth it over the surface, removing any excess for a flat finish. For deeper cracks, you might need to apply the filler in layers, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. Now, leave to dry according to the product instructions. Once the filler has dried completely, sand the area lightly with fine grit sandpaper to remove any bumps or ridges. Ensure it's a smooth finish that blends with the wall. Wipe down the area with a damp cloth to remove sanding dust. Apply a coat of primer over the repaired area to ensure the paint adheres well and the finish is even. Once the primer is dry, paint over the area using a brush or roller matching the wall color. For best results, apply 2 coats of paint, allowing the first to dry completely before adding the second. And there you have it. Fixing cracks in plaster walls is a quick and easy way to refresh your space. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.